everyone, welcome to Healthy Passion. Let's see how to make betel leaf kashayam. It helps to treat throat pain, cold, cough, fever and improves our immunity. For this, add 3 glasses of water. Add 2 betel leaves as shown. Half teaspoon cumin seeds, 4 cloves, you can break them and add it, a small piece of cinnamon stick, half teaspoon pepper crushed, a small piece of ginger crushed, half teaspoon ajwain seeds. Mix everything well and let it boil. When it starts to boil, reduce the flame and let it boil for around 10 minutes or until it reduces to half. At this stage, you can also add jaggery powder around half teaspoon if required. I am not adding it. Then switch off the flame and cover it and rest it for few minutes. Then filter the water and have it hot. Try this and let me know your feedback in the comment section. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you and have a nice day from Healthy Passion.